If I make this, you guys gotta like and subscribe.
Oh, wet boy. Guys, so today is a big day. My friend Kevin just got a new car. Say what's up, Kevin.
What's up, guys?
This is clean. This is clean. So, pop the hood. So, this is a 2014 Honda Accord Sport.
Pretty sure it's a V4, bro.
Really, nigga?
Is it?
I think so.
Usually V6s have dual exhaust.
It's only
Is it 5-speed?
no 6.
No, I'm pretty sure it's a V4. Alright guys, so I'm about to whip it real quick. See how it drives. Ugh. Here.
Okay. Oh shit. My leg's long as fuck.
And you're not lowered either, so I don't.
No, yeah, we Gucci, bro. Just fucking run this bitch everywhere, bro. Oh sh. What just happened, bro?
Nah, bro, I'm too far from the pedal, bro.
Yeah, what just happened, bro?
I stalled. Guys, this car shifts so smooth, bro. We were driving around, we pulled up at Alex's house. What up, bro?
You like
Say
my new
hello
car,
to the
bro?
vlog, bro.
You like my new car, bro?
Dude, it's hella clean, bro. This is yours? You wanna learn how to drive stick, bro?
I'm not ready, bro.
You not ready?
Come over to Ant's house, bro. Yeah.
Steven's coming over, so is
There's a
Andrew.
whole bunch of people.
Hey guys, you see that clean ass Civic over there?
Damn, bro.
You gotta work hard for that shit, right, bro?
Work hard for that shit.
Hey, when
I
you
pay
gonna...
$700 a fucking month.
We going in my house? Use my doggies, Kuda and Max.
Hello, guys.
Hey.
Long time no see, bro.
One of the homies is here, bro. Guess who this is? Oh, what's up?
What's up?
What up, bro?
What up, bro?
Oh shit, you know it, right? Yeah, he does know it.
Yeah.
Damn. Who wants to whip it first?
Let me
Bro,
get it.
just take it, bro. Wait, have you learned it?
Bro, right when I tried to leave, I stalled. Because, hey, no, it's because I was so far away from the pedal, bro.
Boy, we gotta get rid of these pinstripes.
I know.
Good thing they're not clear coated on.
That's true.
I hate when they're fucking clear coated.
Bro, this thing is fucking nice.
Don't close the garage?
Yeah.
How's the shifter, bro?
It's closing.
That's short.
It's short, it's hella short. Dude, Steven's about to whip the fuck out of this car. He's like,
You didn't need to say nothing.
Bro, it's not lowered, you don't gotta worry.
Alright, so we're about to teach Kevin how to drive stick. Alright, so first step is, so put the car in the first gear. Now just let off the brake and go slowly until the car moves. Like,
So you wanna
Yeah.
So you wanna wait until the car moves first? And
Yeah.
Before you step on the gas?
okay, you feel that?
Yeah.
Now start gassing a little bit and let off the clutch slowly so it
So
can
that's
be smooth.
always the spot where I should start
Yeah,
off,
that's
right? So you have to wait till the car moves before you
No,
step on the
no.
gas or what?
no, you don't, but I'm just showing you that that's where the release point is gonna be. Like, that's where the car starts to move, and that's where,
So that
if you always put a little bit of gas before actually letting the clutch all the way off, and putting gas before that release point, you're never gonna stall in your entire life. Don't ever
Don't
ride the
twitch up.
clutch.
Our worst nemesis. Speed bumps.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, that would have killed our car.
That would have killed my car, bro.
just wait until I fucking slam this bitch, bro.
Fuck. What up, bro? Say what's up, bro.
That shit clean, huh?
It's hella clean. You need to drive it, bro. Guys, look how short Andrew is, bro. Look at all that room. Look at all that room. Oh my god, his seat is up to the steering wheel, bro.
Man, shut up.
Yeah. On my grind all day, gonna make $1 million, son, that someday. You know I'm in the building when I ride this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game, bitch, I'm an animal. Eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of how others perceive, but let me be straight up the shit.
Want to see me three-wheel? I can three-wheel up there.
Oh, fuck.
He said, John said, you want to see it?
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, you're good now.
You're good. God damn.
Bro, that should have been game over. You gotta kick that shit back in.
You're a savage. God damn. Kevin, I bet you won't fuck the shit out of Steven. Pussy won't. Alright guys, we just got to Cheddar's, about a feast. Let's eat, boy.
Start on, bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm not worrying about this.
Oh, get this ready, bro.
You ready? Yeah, they messed up my order, so I gotta wait.
Oh, you didn't get it, bro? You didn't get it.
Get what? What the fuck?
It tastes better the second time, bro.
Alright guys, we're gonna head to the gym to hoop. Let's go. We'll see you there. Say hey.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Aunt. Are you guys vlogging?
Yeah. Let's go. We about to get this. About to get buckets. This dude's gonna work out because he's weak as shit.
Bro, come down hoop first, bro. I just got a new car, bro.
Me, this shit is for me, bitch verbatim. Working all day, these games I'm playing. Killing every shitty rapper, motherfucker slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the
First try. Let's go, boy! We took a lot of L's today. Look at my barber, bro. Look at my barber. Oh. What the fuck? Bench. Okay.
If I make this, you guys gotta like and subscribe.
Oh, wet boy.
Alex.
All right, guys. So that is the end of the day. Thanks for hanging out with us. We will see you guys next time. Peace out, guys.
We out.